Ladies and gentlemen, the food train will be leaving in approximately 5 minutes time. If you want to be healthy and have a happy long life, please jump aboard.
No, I've never been on the food train before.
Well, it's really, really nice. They give you all this special healthy food. They give you fruit and veg. And they give you really, really lovely homemade organic chocolate.
I'm gonna get on the food train.
Good food, get on the good food train. Good food, get on the good food train. Good food, get on the good food train. Good food, get on the good food train.
Get on the good food train.
Jeg træner også lidt parkour på min trampolin. Laver baglæns salto.
Think about all the things you put into your tummy. There are many things that you have not yet tried, they're yummy. You've got to keep a balance of all the things you eat. Don't fill up your belly with too many sugary treats. Good food, get on the good food train. Good food, get on the good food train. Good food, get on the good food train.